everyone, my name is Lulit and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I got this simple jumbo braided ponytail. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's what allows me to grow my channel. So if you would like to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. So I'm starting off with just wet hair, not completely wet, but kind of damp, and then I'm just spraying it with some water. Then you'll see me add a moisturizing product and then oil. Even though I am putting it up, it's still important for your hair to be moisturized so that it can serve as a protective style. After my hair is fully saturated with water and moisturized, I go in first with a white tooth comb, then a Denman brush, and comb to the back towards the direction I'm gonna put it up in. And here I'm just frustrated because if you have thick hair and you do a slick back style, you know how tired your arms get, and that's the frustration you see right now. So once my hair is as slick as I could get it, I go ahead and put it up in a scrunchie in a high ponytail. Not really high, but like in the middle of the back of my head. It didn't turn out as slick as I would like it to, just because I didn't fully wash my hair in the shower. I just wetted it, and previously I had a wash and go. So it was just super tangled, but if I was to do this all over again, I would start with fully washed and detangled hair, so it wouldn't take me this long to detangle. Once my hair is in a ponytail, I go back in with some gel and start slicking the front and the back to my liking. Here I'm just detangling and smoothing out the actual hair of the ponytail, because I'm going to be mixing it with the braiding cancelon hair. I need it to be really smooth. If the curls are sticking out, it's not going to blend as well. And this is the hair that I'll be using. The method that I use to create the ponytail is just creating a loop with a scrunchie around one piece of hair, and then I add the remaining two pieces as I braid. And these are the final results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed and that you like, comment on this video if you enjoyed it.